Welcome back to the another big match between Algeria versus UAE. The match has been started. Haj Aziz, beautiful dodge, leading the ball, beautiful pass to Mushtaba. This is the big chance for Mushtaba Yusuf, taking the chance, had it, but outside of the pole. Karim Ali, again dodged by Hamidullah, directed and goal. This is the first goal done by Hamidullah just after 8 minutes. UAE got the first goal in the first 10 minutes. Beautiful dodge and nicely executed by Hamidullah. No mistake, directly hit to the net. Algeria 0, UAE 1. What a nice attack by UAE within 10 minutes. Mehdi, nicely passed to Naif bin Fateh. This is the chance. Khairuddin, again Nasir, but outside of the pole. This is the first attack by Algerian team players. They will again try because they want a revenge back. Haj Aziz this time nicely dodged, beautifully clear. Naif bin Fateh, Najam Munif. Algerian team players again leading the ball. Nicely passed to Khairuddin, touch to the player. There will be corner kick. Trying their best. Hamidullah. UAE trying their best to control the game. Haj Aziz, this is another golden chance, directed but defended. Nicely clear. Beautiful goal defended by the goalkeeper. That was pure goal. Executed by Haj Aziz, well tried by UAE team players. 32 minutes have been passed. Still Algerian team players are trying to attack. They want their first goal. Mohammad Nasir, another chance. Again touch to the player. There will be corner kick again. Nicely passed to Mehdi. Beautiful pass to Monif, but outside of the pole. "37 minutes have been passed. The first. What a nice strike by Naif bin Fateh. Another chance. Mohammad Nasir. Najam Munif, directed and defended by the goalkeeper. This is the pure goal defended. Bad luck for Algerian team players. Another chance. Again defended. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Hamidullah did magnificent goal just within 8 minutes. And still, UAE is leading by 1 goal. Naif bin Fateh, this time got it. Beautiful goal executed by Naif bin Fateh just after 49 minutes. What a nice start by Algerian team player. Beautiful pass and nicely executed. Algeria 1, UAE 1. Both teams are on equal points and the whole second half is remaining. A lot of time for the players to achieve the goal. Another chance, touch to the pole. Another head hit, but outside of the line. The second half is totally dedicated for Algerian team players because at the start of the second half, Algerian team players started attack over UAE. Naif bin Fateh again leading the ball. Hit and outside of the pole. Now both team players are trying to achieve the second goal, because second goal is very important to make pressure, to build pressure over another team players. Another chance, beautiful pass, Karim Ali, direct hit and goal. This time second goal done by Karim Ali. This is the second goal in the second half. Beautifully executed. No mistake. Directly hit to the net. Algeria is now leading by one goal. What a comeback by Algerian team player in the second half. Because in the first half, Algerian team players could not achieve the goal, and the UAE got the first goal in the first half. But in the second half, UAE is totally under pressure, and Algerian team players got the two main important goals. This is the time for UAE to fail. Nicely dodged by Mehdi. Nasir. Hadi, beautiful pass. Mohammad Nasir again leading the ball. Mushtaba Khamis. Hamidullah. This is the golden chance for Hamidullah. But touch. Only 10 minutes remaining for UAE to achieve the goal. Otherwise, Algerian team players already leading by one goal. Another chance, but outside of the goal. Well tried. Sina. This is the last chance for UAE.
4 added minutes has been indicated.
And yes, they lost it. Beautiful pass. Direct hit. But outside of the pole. The time is over. Algeria 2, United Arab Emirates 1. Algeria won this match.